What's going on, my virtual home? How's it going? So today we are going to be doing another video on Amazon KDP. Today we're going to be looking at the Amazon KDP dashboard, and we're going to be looking at my particular KDP journey and earnings in the last 6 to 9 months. So guys, we're going to start with how to find KDP on Amazon. So right now we're on the Amazon.com homepage. And in order to get to the KDP program or the sign in or sign up page, you want to come all the way to the bottom of Amazon. You're going to see a tab that says Make Money with Us. And you're going to go right here to where it says self-publish with us. That's going to take you to kdp.amazon.com. This is where you can join the KDP program if you have not already. Of course, you can sign in. And for those who are just browsing, you can just take a look at the KDP publishing homepage. So, yeah, you're going to be able to self-publish your print and digital books, reach millions of readers all around the world on Amazon, guys. All right, so KDP is actually free to join. So there's actually no cost to go ahead and getting started with uploading books on Amazon KDP. Guys, I do have a partnership with a company called BookBolt, and BookBolt allows you to design your covers and the inside of your books on their platform so that your book is ready to upload over here on Amazon. You're going to get a 3-day free trial. Also, there's going to be a promotion code so that you can get started after your free trial with 20% off. The promotion code for us on BookBolt is the name of our channel, My Virtual Home. As simple as that, guys. So with BookBolt and this Amazon KDP uh, website, you're going to be able to create an unlimited amount of books. So be your own publisher, okay? Self-publish, earn money. Yes, you can earn up to 70% royalties for your books, okay? And you get to keep control, retain the ownership of your content, publish whenever you want, all of that good stuff. So, yeah, you can publish different type of formats: ebooks, print books, Kindle books, paperback books, hardcover books. It's really an endless situation here on Amazon KDP. All right, so you can earn more. Um, they have the Kindle program where um, you'll be able to get into the ebooks. And guys, right now we are publishing low content books, but we are on our way to getting into the medium and the high content books as well. We are going to be dropping some ebooks, so definitely keep a lookout on our author page. I'm going to put it in the comments, of course, but it's amazon.com/author/Rose Alexander Man Taylor, guys. Of course, I'll put that link in the comments. This is where you're going to be able to check on us and just check a look at a look out on our progress and all of that. So you can earn up to 70% on ebooks, guys, and earn up to 60% on print books. And this is going to be your royalty amount, the amount that you are paid every time a book is purchased. Okay. So, again, multiple types of books can be published: business, children's books, nonfiction, romance. Guys, they even have an option for short stories. So, we're really, really happy about that. And again, this is the Amazon KDP page. Okay. So, let's look at that. Now we're going to actually take a look at my particular inside of my dashboard of my particular KDP um, account. So, guys, here on your bookshelf, it says bookshelf. If you are clicking your bookshelf, this is where all your books are listed. Those the ones that you're working on, as well as the ones that are already listed. So this is my particular bookshelf, guys. Now, when you upload a book, Amazon can take up to 72 hours, so at least about 3 days to kind of review your book or your journal or what have you. So I have quite a few materials in review, and that's okay. Sometime when your books or your journals have little issues and things like that, KDP is going to send you an email of why they were not able to be uploaded. And the email I like is very detailed, so it really tells you what you need to fix. So the You Rock journal right here was my very first journal, very first one I've ever created. Um, this was created back in March. So, yeah, here we go. March 23rd is the day that I first uploaded anything on Amazon for sale. I don't have any current products or anything on Amazon. So, this was the first time I became a seller on Amazon in general. Um, all right. So, from there, I do have four more journals and things of that nature that are published. This one is my latest one, December 7th. Um, and it is an actual prayer journal. So, yeah, guys, this is what I have. And it's very much so a humble beginning for myself. And you're going to see that here in a little bit when we go over my earnings here. So the bookshelf has the books. Got that? Got it. Right. Now, when you want to create books, you're going to hit this create button. And we have video that says, I think it's BookBub plus Amazon KDP full tutorial that's going to show you exactly how to upload the book from start to finish. You guys can go check that out. It's actually one of our latest videos as of to date. Matter of fact, today is when we published that video this morning. So what we're gonna do is, let me see, we're gonna go to reports. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, one order has been done this month so far. And to be quite honest, that order was myself. I ordered a copy of the You Rock Journal for myself because I wanted to have it. And instead of ordering an author copy, which you guys can order the author copies, um, let's take a look at how to do that. So let's just say you have a book of your own and you want a copy. You're going to order the author copies right here. You're going to hit this, and then it should tell you how much for your copy. Okay. So that author copy would cost me $2.31. Let me see. Go ahead and go back to our bookshelf and back to reports. So on this report page, you're going to be able to make all type of different type of report searches. You can search your orders, your KENP read situation, month to date, promotions, pre-orders, royalties estimator, and a few good other tools, payments. You can see how those been paying out, and all of those, all that good stuff. So on your dashboard, it's going to show you your last 30 days. So if you can see that on November the 28th, we did have one unit ordered, and then we ordered ours for ourselves here on the 6th. Okay. The royalty sources is going to let you know, and the top marketplaces. Okay. You can also download these reports right here so that you need them, and you can see things in a different type of chart. So this is the bar chart, but you can actually click over to the line chart, whichever, floats your fancy as far as your review. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and look at my earnings for these last, really lifetime, which is the last 6 to 9 months. As you guys know, I got started in March of 2023. And in order to look at a lifetime report, as you guys see, I have 5 books. And let me see, the last book was actually pretty recently uploaded, really the last two. So I uploaded one in November and so far one in December. And we're waiting on probably like another 7 books to come out of review. So we're going to look at all books, a lifetime report. And as you guys can see, 3 books have sold. One of them I purchased myself. So right now we are not running any ads for our books. So these are really just kind of doing their organic thing. If you can see, all books came right here out of the on the first book I actually ever published, was the U Rock Journal. So if we can bring this down, you're going to see that 2 of those purchases, which one includes myself, came out of the United States. And then one purchase, which is my very first purchase, was the international sale. It actually came out of Canada. Okay. So that's it, guys. 3 orders for me. And you can see that the first order happened June 2023. And then the next order happened in November of 2023. This December, that's me. Again, the month really just started. So there's some high hopes for another order to come in. But let's see. June, that means 3 months after I published my first book, I got the first sale. And then 5 months after the first sale, I got the next sale. So 3 months after starting on the program, I got my first sale. And about 8 months after starting the program, I got my second sale. If you guys are realizing any trends over all of that data, let us know what you think in the comments. All right, so we're going to do the royalty estimator to see about how much was made. And again, we're going to choose the date